So you got this error saying PlayStation Network is currently undergoing maintenance. NP-34957-8. How to fix this? Basically, there's no way to fix this, but you have to wait. You have to wait, let's say from 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And the reason is, yes, the server of PlayStation is currently in maintenance. If not, there is server outage, means there's problems on the server side. So yeah, it's not your problem, it's their problem. And all you have to do is to wait from 1 hour to 4 hours. And that's all. I hope this will help you.